Hi everyone, today I share with you the best way to fry your beans. This method leaves you with no bloating of the stomach nor stomach upset. First, I'm going to heat up some oil. I'm using the combination of palm oil and vegetable oil. Once that is heated up, I'm now going to add in some roughly blended onion, Scotch bonnet pepper and some tatashe. Mind you, you don't have to use much hot peppers when cooking beans. I use just one Scotch bonnet peppers for this. Now I'm adding in some fresh tomatoes. I also added some salt and some seasoning powder. I'm going to stir that to combine and allow to fry for about 5 minutes. You know, most people run away from eating beans because they always have running stomach after eating beans. But trust me, with this method you have no such problems. Just follow this method step by step and you are going to enjoy eating beans all the time. Make sure your tomatoes is well fried before adding in the beans. Before now, I had already cooked the beans. I cooked for the first time for 10 minutes. I threw away the water, rinsed and then add another water and cooked for the second time. This helps to get rid of stomach bloating or running stomach after eating beans. Now I'm just adding in the beans because the stew has fried enough. I'm going to stir that, mix it up together, and I'll add some water and then cover it and allow it to cook for some minutes.
The best food plug in town, tasty bites around the way. Come and see them every day. Recipes that make you smile. Oh, delicious flavors with your while. Oh, oh, whip it up and take a taste. Every dish a yummy case. Follow for delicious treats. Oh.
I added some sweet corn and some paprika peppers, but this is optional. You can skip it if you don't like it.
Stir the pot. Every sprinkle hits the spot. From the oven to your plate. Oh, happiness you just can't wait. Taste the love in every dish. Here, flavors pop and make you cheer. Yeah. Recipe to match and move.
And here we go, guys. The beans is ready. So this is going to be paired with white rice. I've already cooked the rice. So tell me, do you like beans? How do you like your beans? Do you like it this way? Are you going to be trying this method? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video till this point. Thank you for tuning in wherever you are watching us from. I sincerely appreciate. Please remember to like this video, comment, share and follow for more. See you again in my next one. Bye bye.